If you like something that's sort of fast-paced, something's going to be new pretty much every day, or some tweak, this is the field for you. I like to say we know a lot about a little here at the Help Desk.
Help Desk is generally triage. A lot of it is customer service, documentation, gathering information from the customer, contact details, assuring the customer that their issue is going to be resolved, trying to lower their temperature, if they're frustrated or having a bad day.
We need to make sure we get the concise information as possible, whether we fix it or move it along to the next level or tier group in order to resolve the issue of the incoming phone call or email.
Desktop support is a great opportunity to learn a facet of IT.
In my day-to-day, I'd say answering calls. I take a lot of phone calls, read a lot of tickets, a lot of people getting locked out of their computers. They might have clicked on a bad email and I need to act quickly and make sure that they didn't get compromised or the compromise stayed within that one specific user. All the issues, big, small, I see them all.
We're the front line of defense. That's what makes it unique. Seriously, people call us first. It may not always be fixed by the Help Desk because then we may push it to the next tier or the next group. And the better we do it, the easier it is for the customer and then for the next group to take it to the next level or whatever they need to do.
I have a learning disability where my handwriting is hard to read and also very slow. Eventually my parents figured this out and we got permission to allow me to type my assignments. That's usually how I got into it, just being a gadgets guy and into tech and stuff like that.
Where I'm from, my family, there are traders they do business. I'm the only one in the technical field. I was riding a bus with a friend who was learning electronics. And then it just dawned on me, I said, if you are doing electronic, I'm going with the computer. That's exactly how I started, and I enrolled in a computer maintenance courses, and I started to like it.
I was in the military. I did 4 years there, and my plan was, I knew I wanted to deal with computers. So once I got out of the military, I used my GI Bill and I went to a tech school. And I'm basically self-taught how to work on computers. Well, I got to travel the state because I dealt with all the district offices of those members, with people over the phone to get them to be able to fix issues as if you were there, even though you're not.
I knew I wanted to be in IT sometime during COVID. I was taking classes full-time for business administration and then everything went online. So I just kind of was like, well, this class looks fun. It was very rewarding and I'm like, let me take more. And I took a couple more, and then I was like, okay, I'm ready to get out of culinary industry and start making a jump. And I was looking for help desk positions and I knew I was kind of stretching myself a little thin, but I was just I'm just gonna work on marketing all my soft skills. And that definitely helped me get my way in the door.
That's another good thing I like about this job because it teaches you how to concentrate better, but also learn to speak better to people.
I like that kick of somebody needs help or there's a problem to solve, and I have the skill set and the experience to do it, and that's kind of exciting to me.
There's a lot of room for growth.
I'm not stuck in just one area. I want to branch out.
I have so much room to just grow and grow and grow into a management position if I chose, or more technical position.
You may not stay at the help desk, but I guarantee you'll find something else that you'll like because it'll force you to think outside of the box.
I love having doors open for me where, I know there's somewhere to go.
You don't need to go to school. You don't need to do a 4-year college.
As long as you show that aptitude that you want to be there and you want to learn and adapt.
Search out the free resources. There's tutorials out there that are free. You can go and get somebody to show you step by step, how to fix it. Open yourself up to engaging it with as many free resources as possible.
I see a diversity as a positive.
I think technology has been great for diversity.
It's incredible. Incredible the amount of people that you meet, ages of people.
You know, there's more women in IT. People of every background are into IT. Every community is being better served if the technology is used correctly.
For anyone that's interested in getting into the help desk IT field, I would definitely encourage them to accept the challenge because it's going to be challenges.
It's really rewarding, and you don't stop learning.
Take away any kind of barriers that you might have had growing up.
Seriously, it's a lot of stress, but it's so rewarding when you're able to fix the problems, or someone comes to you and you have the answer to give to them. I think the type of person that would be really good at the help desk is someone that, one, is willing to learn,
Just pick up something and try it.
willing to accept challenges,
And just being curious and brave.
and willing to just listen.
Don't be afraid to ask silly questions.
In order for you to get the problem directed to the right group, you have to know, is this a networking issue, or is this maybe a firewall issue? Or is this just a security issue? Because those are three separate things. And you have to know where that's going to go. You may not be highly proficient in the aspect of all those things, but you have to know a lot about a little.
The technology is evolving. Every organization will need someone from IT. That's a fact.
IT touches everything now, so you can get into a role where you can learn the IT stuff, but also bring a whole lot of skills to the table.
The world is interconnected with something with computers.
You know, you're connecting with people you might not have been able to before because the internet makes it easy to have a video conference with somebody across the world.
IT is a big part of our lives.
That's like, if I couldn't make people happy or help them, I would not be fulfilled.